Hi, very nice area. We have a large parking space, and this is 41 Ballinteer. We can go in. Wow, it's a great place. Oh, this is a living room. Beautiful sofas. It's the cupboard. It's the dining room. Shelf. And this is kitchen. Beautiful fridge. It's kitchen. You can see a beautiful backyard. See, it's very beautiful. Coming in, there's a free space here. There's toilet, very clean toilet. Again to the door. Here's the first room. Very beautiful. Good view from here. Nice curtains. To the first floor. Very beautiful. The room number 2. Very spacious. Very nice room. Beautiful view. To the third room. Very nice room. The lower cupboards are there. Spacious room. To the fourth room. It's not a bedroom. It's a study area where we can put one more bed if it's necessary. It's a nice view from here. And there's a common bathroom over here. Very nice. This is bedroom. Very nice bedroom. Very nice. And there's an attached bathroom is there. Here's the shower area. It's a toilet. From there, moving ahead to the second floor. It is a fifth room over here. It's a little spacious. Very nice. See, very good view from here. And there's a small toilet over here, not used. In the sixth room, Okay, very nice. You can see there's a small cupboard.